Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to open Facebook and facing any issue related Facebook like Facebook not opening or Facebook crashes, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, now I am going to open my Facebook and check that what kind of problem will occur. So guys, you can see here, and guys, now you can see my Facebook is automatically go back on desktop, so and not opening on my iPhone. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So first of all, you need to open your settings in your iPhone and click on Wi-Fi. And guys, first of all, you need to connect your Wi-Fi. If already connected, then guys, you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget this network. And after this, you need to go back. And guys, after this, you need second method is you need to update your Facebook from App Store. So guys, simply you need to open your App Store in your iPhone. And guys, after this, you need to wait. And guys, here you need to search Facebook. Click on Facebook. And guys, after this, simply you need to open, and guys, you need to update from here. So guys, if your app is not updated, then you need to update from here. And guys, after doing update, you need to go back. And the third method is you need to open your settings in your iPhone, click on general, and guys, click on iPhone storage. And after this, you need to wait, and here you need to click on Facebook, and guys, click on offload app and click on offload. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again from your App Store. And guys, after doing all the methods, your problem will be fixed. So guys, now you can see I am going to open. So guys, now you can see my problem has fixed. So guys, after doing all the methods, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem after doing all the methods, then guys, you need to open your settings again. Click on general, scroll it down, and click on transfer and reset iPhone. And guys, after this, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And after this, you need to go back. And guys, click on VPN and device management and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone. And after doing this, you need to go back, click on date and time, and make sure that your date and time is set automatically. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, click on screen time, scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and turn off this feature. So guys, if it is turned on, then you need to turn off it. And after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open and use your Facebook smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.